Uh, so this is the first video. Uh, its intention was to be unfiltered, and the intention behind the selection of a particular problem currently is I am practicing two pointers from like the one that's suggested here, and I'm following this chronological order, and at the sliding window it's been really tough on me, so uh, what I did was filtered all the sliding window problems and sorted them with the level. Currently I am going one by one at a time. The video will be very long if I uh, keep it all. I guess let's do it. We are given an integer array, okay, consisting of n elements and an integer k. Fine. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k. Oh, that has the maximum average value and return this value. Okay, any answer with a calculation error less than 10 to the power of minus 5 will be accepted. So we have to select a subarray of size k. In this case it is 4. So it shall be this. So which is subarray? Right, which is subarray? That means the order should be intact, but you can select 4 non-contiguous values. Oh, fine. He said a contiguous subarray, so we can select a contiguous array. In this case, the maximum it can give is a 3 contiguous subarrays. Yes. So what shall we do in order for us to get the maximum is, so let's start with the 2 pointers. Wait, first let's discuss the intuition. So the intuition is we'll select this and add all of them, then move it like this. We'll minus this, like the 1, we'll minus the 1 and add the 50 and check if it is the maximum, and we'll do it again, sliding it here. Now we'll add 3 and remove 15 and check whether it is giving the maximum or not. So let's slide. We need to keep it in that. We can keep it k. The constraints are the k should be between 1 and k, and it shall be less than 10 to the power of 5. So one thing, let's try to avoid Python standard libraries. So we'll add the first k characters, not character, first k numbers from nums. Let's keep it in this value. and let's add is equal to add all the numbers, all the first k numbers, and let's slide from actually now we don't need to see the first five. Let's see from the next five. So we thought of moving, we actually considered first four with this for loop, and what we are doing now is we are initiating right with the k plus 1, which is fifth value, and starting from 1. That means this part. So let's keep it as 10th value. If you don't need to keep it here, I guess, since we are making it here. Let's see if it is working fine. think since we are adding it here, must have did something wrong. So how I would do the debugging is just keep the statement. So serve after the updation, right? Let's see what's going on here. Getting the standard output. So that's what I'm checking here. That might be wrong. Since it's a zero-based index, uh, keeping k is fine because k is 4 here, which is 50 in this case. Right. So maybe this minus 1 is wrong here. Let's check from the debugging whether that's like what is going wrong. It's not very helpful, so we comment this here and let's check the slice. That is small minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 50. So we didn't even get to uh, minus 6 50 and 3, and it's not even 4 the length. That's fine because we're doing it till r and we shall keep it r plus 1. So already considered 1, 12, minus 5 and 6. Now in this for loop, above for loop, we shall now consider the remaining two, which are these 12 minus 5 minus 6 and 50. And let's check whether we are removing the correct thing. Also, we are adding the property, but give an error, so put it here. So that properly 10. Okay, and adding 3 which is wrong. Obviously, but let's you're adding 50. I think to keep the value that's from the first place, we shall remove 1 and should add 50, which is R. So the calculation, so we did the calculation error, so we don't need this if condition. And add R. Let's check if it is working now correctly. Count. So left and right are one answer. So the first index 1. So L is the first index 1, 2, 3, and 4. 10th value, which is 1 plus 1 plus 15, so 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 6, which is minus 11 plus 13, which is 2 5. So 10th value is 2. And after it's upgraded, we are removing 1, which will be 1 plus 50, which is 51. Fine. Oh, so what I did wrong is we shall give the maximum average, not the maximum sum. Let's do the average. Oh, it's the wrong way to do things. So I guess the intuition was clear. Uh, this is so pathetic. Like I'm doing the easiest, like the easy remedy problem, and I have to go through many iterations to complete this. So if you are a beginner, it's not bad to be wrong sometimes. See, it still is not the best answer, I guess. So what I'll do now is I'll just check others answers. Did the same thing. Oh, okay, let's check what he is doing. Yeah, he did the same thing without a while. It's less complex, easy to understand. The same thing. Well, I guess this is the optimal approach. I didn't read it. Should around to the 5 elements. The answer will calculate less than 10 to the power of 9, so it will be accepted. Okay, so that's why I keep the rounding to the 5. Well, whatever. Uh, Here the time complexity is O of n, to be precise, order of n minus k, because we will avoid the 4, not 4, the k values, and space complexity, since we are not using any variable sized container, it will be order of 1.